Right, the BNC, it was a very good the speaker with the six and a half speakers. A little pricey, but very good speaker. So we're gonna unbox on this on this episode. I'm doing like 25 speakers unboxing, like same day, same outfit, everything is the same connections. Like we're doing a lot of speakers. If you're new to my channel, definitely guys subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Right? Boom! I pre-cut already, so I don't want to show you like I'm cutting all that stuff. That's how the BNC comes. 6.5, exactly the same way. Boom! Holy crap! This speaker is humongous. Another beast. Like, oh, that's heavy. Oh god, this is a mid-range speaker. Are you guys watching this, right? Yeah. This speaker is gonna give you a lot of power. Made in Italy. BNC, Eminence, and the Fatal Pro is Italian mafias. Italian mafia is always the best, but we're gonna find out how they doing with the speakers. BNC, it was always good. Here's the connectors. Right, it's straight to the cone, and the cone is like a sandwich paper, very thick paper. And the price wise, $115 per speaker, right? It's very heavy speaker, and this guy is $150 versus $115. I believe BNC will kill 18 sound because a 6.5 BNC was a very good speaker for the price. But it's maybe the same factory, same manufacturer, but this is a total different build. The holes on the 18 sound is a lot bigger. The biggest hole on my, the channel right now. But this guy is also the decent. So I'm gonna give him some power, some juice, some bass, and we're gonna see how the speakers jump and how they handle the bass. Of course, this speaker is a mid-range speaker. So this speaker will play 90 Hertz and 5000 Hertz. So it is like a lot, the wider than 1000 Hertz more than Eminence speaker. But we're gonna find out how we'll produce the sound and how we'll play the music. But this speaker is like heavy. I don't know how. I think when you spend that much money, you gotta get the magnet, because this magnet is like too heavy. If you have a home theater system, of course the floor standing speakers will good with the heavy speakers. But if you have car audio and you want to use these speakers for the car audio speakers, this speaker is gonna be like heavy as hell. If you run like 10 of them, forget it, right? So let me run this non-copyright sound, the bass test, like I did the other videos. So we're gonna see how's these speakers efficient. Worst speaker, it was Eminence. Watch my previous video or the next video. So Eminence speakers needs always tons of power to run this. Efficient. I just connected in like a minimum volume. It's already like playing louder. So this guy, of course, is gonna be destroying Eminence speaker, but we're gonna find out with this guy now. Already good. It's, oh shit, it's already loud, and it's already like handling the bass. So it's, you see the BNC, good job guys. Whatever you guys doing over there, whatever your research guys doing over there, like sitting, like measuring, you guys doing very good speakers. I'm telling you, for the price, would I spend $115 for these speakers? Probably yes. Would I spend $110 for 6.5 speakers? The magnet I tested, probably yes. I don't know. These all the videos, guys, I bought for my cash So no, you know, sponsoring bullshit. There's nothing going on here. So I bought these speakers. Now we're gonna run side by side. Expensive. This guy doesn't handle the bass that like this guy handles, but we're gonna find out what's gonna happen side by side. So 18 sound is cleaner, but it goes a little bit higher, more details. As soon as start to handling the bass, it's getting the distortion on this volume, right? Whatever I'm giving the power now. But BNC is again like another a nice speaker. So if you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe it. I'm gonna install all these speakers in the box with the tweeter, without the tweeter. We're gonna run the crazy experiment. So we're gonna find out which speaker is the best for the price, right? I'm out. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'm gonna open another speaker.